the durance. Okay, what I have to do is duplicate. And let all the files upload. Okay. T. We will have a look. We will see what is it. You will see it when we will do one small sample here, and then we will come to everything. Union. Yeah, should be fine. You can say coupler. We don't have flanges. And cap. Yeah, cap. Okay, cap plug. I think plug. Let me just show you what we do. We are in two. Say okay. See what I do is I just show you what we do. Create similar. Okay. Beautiful. We got the elbow. Okay. And then if I have a 45-degree wide, okay, so it's just the wrong in the error. It's fine. You know the direction. No. Yeah, it can go straight down. No, this elbow is wrong. So I'm falling down. This T is wrong. Sorry. Pre-sanitary. Okay. Pre-sanitary. I would have liked it to be 45 degrees sanitary, so it should be the double one. You will understand in a minute, just a minute. 45 degrees, this one. Y is called Y. Sorry. Okay. Show you magic now. Okay. And what we can do is create similar. Beautiful. This is what I was looking for. Okay. We're happy now. Okay. So we are happy with this. We got what we needed. Doing excellent. So what we can do is, if you want, just to retype, change type. Okay. Done. Okay. Now what we'll do is create similar. Okay. We are going up now. Okay. See, from here it goes and we're going falling down. Okay. So anywhere going anymore is going to be up. Okay. Inherit elevation and just put it this way. Beautiful. Yeah, legend. Okay, we will do this, or we can do a Y for that. Okay, okay. He's not happy because we didn't inherit the elevation. Okay. Same story. Oh, come on. We have to be up. You can actually go till the bottom. You give him some length. Oh, sorry. We will have a look now. Okay, okay. Here we should have done a Y, double Y. Yes. Okay, we should see a double Y. Okay. I'll show you this trick. 1 minute. Transition cross. We are looking for this one. Double Y. You will see what I'm doing. Okay, and you will see the magic now. Synchronize. Yeah, yes. If you're not happy, we will make you happy. Don't worry. He's not happy. Not 1 minute. What you can do is delete it. Don't worry. Okay. Right click, create similar. Okay, he wants to go this way. Add inherit elevation. Habibi. One minute. Okay, just a minute. So inherit elevation. You're going up. What's the story? Angle. It's perfectly connected. This is Y. This is Y. Quite similar. Going inherit and up. Oh. Double. We need double. If not, we will load it. Okay. forgetting the inherited. Okay, he's playing naughty today, isn't he? Yeah, yeah. Create similar. You need to go inherit elevation, need to go up. Okay. Hope everyone is happy now, or happier. Drop pipe. We need to. Yeah, that's right. Come on, be a good boy. Something is here. End cap. We'll have a look. Okay. We'll make a section view. But anyway, we will see what's the story. It's not connected. Maybe excellent. Okay, this is it. Now what we need to do is we need to make straight and down. Okay, in both the sides. Okay, let's do one side and then we will see the other side. Okay, what we will do is there is an end cap. I feel there is an end cap. Something. Okay. See, something is there. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll make a section view and then we will see what's the story. Okay. Put down. Okay. So there's two methods. One is just draw a pipe. Slope up. Okay. And then you call your friend fillet. They were friends before and now they became better friends. Okay. So that's the story for one part of the pipe. So just keep drawing section views and keep playing. Okay. Go to view. Because my section box is too long. Okay. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. Okay, I think we'll continue the remaining in the second class. Okay, this is just, I'm just playing with it, so I'm not really putting audio or something special. So I did see a comment from someone a couple of minutes ago when I uploaded the first part that, John, there's no video or something. I'm just doing it for, just playing with it, as they say. Okay. So anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. We've done a beautiful job, looks like that. Okay. So yeah, looks good. I think I should have done a thinner pipe for this. We don't need so fat pipe. Do it. No. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class, a short one. I'll continue the remaining ones. Okay. So I hope everybody got the logic for this how to do the plumbing stuff. Okay. Anyway, take care. Have a beautiful weekend, and yeah, see you. Bye.